Members who have previously been deleted within the BART system can be restored via the Members Admin portal. Log in on your preferred web browser and select Administration from the main menu. Then select Members from the sub-menu provided. You'll see a list of members within your group. If you're an administrator for more than one group, you can use the drop-down provided to select a specific group. Click the Filter button to bring up a drop-down menu. Select the Deleted option from the menu to display a list of all members who have been deleted in your group. Find the member you would like to restore and click on the ellipsis button at the end of the row. Then click Restore User. A pop-up will display where you'll need to select Confirm.